But we're not anticipating that right rudder, right? Because as we come back down, we're adding that power, and the nose is going to swing to the left, right? Yeah. So we'll just keep that in mind. Excellent. All right, let's go ahead and let's go ahead and do let's do steep turns. Okay. And we can do 030, that'll work. Okay. Okay, so for steep turns, we haven't done those since like one of my first few lessons. So sure, is it just... I can go ahead and just flip it around for you real quick. Yep. Excellent. My flight controls? Your flight control? My flight controls. Okay, so we're going to set the power at about 2200 RPM. Okay. No carb heat for this one. Maneuvering speed, we're just below that, so maneuvering speed is 97 at max gross weight, and we're about 95, so that's just below. I think we're good. So I'm going to use a heading of 030. And there's really nothing to see out here because the haze is so bad. Yep. Typically we'd find a landmark to look at. So I'm going to go ahead and do a 360-degree left turn, 45 degrees of bank. So 45 degrees is that little dot in between those two lines on our attitude indicator. Okay. And our goal is to keep our eyes outside, okay? Yep. All right, rolling into the turn. So as we roll in, we want to add just a teeny bit of back pressure. Yep. And when I mean a teeny bit, I mean probably a little bit more than you think. Okay. Because as we roll that wing, we're going to lose some lift, right? Yeah. Needs a little bit of nose up trim to help out. Keep that bank in there. And I'm just keeping the rivet line on the right set of rivets on the cowling. I'm keeping that right on the horizon. Okay. Alright, so about 15 degrees out, I'm going to start rolling out. And then we'll just go right into the right, okay? So going in the right steep turn, make sure it stays coordinated with the rudder. There we go. Cool. I overshot our heading a little bit, I won't lie. Okay, so we'll go ahead and retrim it out, just pull, kind of, once we're done with the maneuver, you want to retrim, right? Okay. So you don't have all that, you have all that lift coming back without all that. Feels pretty good right here. Yeah, man, sounds good. All right, let's get it down to 4,500 and let's do a set of steep turns. Okay. Okay, so I'll start with the left again. Alright, eyes outside, eyes outside. Okay. Bye-bye. Alright, so we lost a good bit of altitude there, right? Okay. Alright, so we get back to 45. So we're looking inside, I can see the eyeball. So you gotta get sunglasses so you can't lie about it, right? I'm just teasing. Yeah, so we'll get back to 45. What was happening is we were staring inside the cockpit a little bit too much, and then we're starting to follow the instruments, which take a little time to pick up, right? Yep. So, alright, let's go ahead and do one to the right. Okay. Alright, so get that back pressure in, back pressure, back pressure. And it's okay to pull a G. Okay. There you go. So we're still, there we go, we're starting to level it out. So we still lost about 300 feet, right? All right, let's go ahead and turn it around. Let's do a heading of 290.
Okay.
And it's kind of just the same thing with like the stall recovery, right? We have to be a little bit more authoritative with what we're doing. Just, you know, set the bank, set the pitch.
Okay.
I mean, by no means like yank the plane around, but you know what I'm saying? Just very, very authoritative movements and have everything has a purpose.
Yep. Okay, I think it's all trimmed out good.
Alright, we'll go ahead and add a little bit more power though. Let's have it about 2200 RPM or so. I'm going to move this down above your head. Just watch your head for a minute. There you go. Might help your eyeballs there a bit.
Yeah. Okay, now it seems good.
Alrighty.
Okay.
Let's go ahead and do it one more time.
Okay.
Alright, so we're rolling in, and as we're going to anticipate that...
Pittsburgh Tower, Arrow 30024, 10 miles east, looking for closed traffic with the weather.
Roll the bank.
30024, Martinsburg Tower, good afternoon. Runway 8 in use, wind 140 at 7, altimeter 3004 now. Report midfield right downwind, please.
Midfield right downwind for runway 8, 30024.
Alright, start rolling it out. Okay, so we gained a little altitude, but we didn't drop, right?
Yeah.
We're getting progress. Alright, let's go ahead and do it to the right, okay?
Okay.
There you go. Well, that was perfect. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
That was fantastic. Yeah, really nice job. Yeah, we'll work on the left one a little bit, but that right one, that was nice. Okay, take me back to Frederick, and we'll go back and do some landings, okay?
Okay.
Excellent. And let's go ahead and descend down to about 2,500.
Okay.
We'll have to duck back down under those clouds. And I do want to listen to the weather real quick over there.
Wind 1605, visibility 10, sky conditions ceiling 2,600, overcast. Temperature 3, dew point -3, altimeter 3011. Runway 12 in use, expect ILS approach, runway 23, circle the land, runway 12. Advise on initial contact, you have a Frederick Airport information echo time.
Okay. A little bit lower than I thought it would be, 2,600. But it's That's no problem. We should be just fine to get back in. Lyric, what month or what week did you guys say you're going down to Florida?
I believe it's the 14th to the 23rd.
Okay, excellent. Okay, because I was telling all my students, you know, if you wanted to fly in between it, because I'll be out of town a few days then as well.
Yeah.
I was gonna say fly with Mike, but never mind. I won't be here. You won't be here. That'll work. Cool. Excellent.
Clear on guard.
So we'll probably be setting up for a straight in runway 12.
Okay.
So we're about 11 miles to the west.